Love you, Leo. Let's see what's in for your daily reading, and this is your relationship message, a one card reading, and let's switch open the card and see what here and now, and let's see what the message gives you. Leo, it's easy to earn for a love affair or friendship. You may not have right now one that is more romantic, more fun, more reliable, more passionate. The good old days are gone and a new day has dawned. Let your heart trust that you have everything you need right now, whether you have the relationship you desire or not. Tomorrow is beyond your reach. Yesterday cannot return. The now is all that is available to you. Stay present and aware that in this moment, as you cherish and approve of your beautiful self, you're a magnet for love. Spirit is madly in love with you right now. Did you know what that? Turn to Spirit to feel the joy of love in the here and now. And that's your daily relationship card message for you, Leo. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. And after this message card reading, coming up is the pick a card reading, and watch out for the pick a card reading after this reading. Bye guys, love you all, take care. I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye.
For your love reading, guys, we have two piles. It's going to be like a pick a card reading. So I'll be picking one card from each deck. So whichever pile you want to watch, you can skip to that part and watch that reading, guys. I'll be silent for 2 seconds. You can think about the questions you need to be answered, and you can open your eyes and just choose the pile whichever comes first to your mind here. So let's start the reading now after 2 minutes of waiting, guys. So let's choose a pile. Okay guys, now I'll be starting with the first pile. For those who chose this deck, let us see what is the card for your love reading. What is the guidance for your love situation, guys? This is the card, guys. So let's see what it is. Go the distance. With this card for your situation, guys, this oracle guidance just means that we need to have that strength and endurance for the long haul. So to bring the dreams to life, you must think in a long term way, not worried about the fluctuations we see in our present experience. Joy and disappointments mingle with opportunities in life, and we should not fear these obstacles that are coming in our day-to-day life. And life is not a sprint, and this card is a reminder that we have to have that endurance and strength to carry us all the way and remain true to ourselves. So when we remain true to what we have in our heart of hearts, we will be able to have that beautiful connection, guys. So a beautiful connection means a harmonious relationship that can stand the test of time. So for the better or worse, as you ride the ups and downs, even break yourself sometimes, you will be remade in new growth, guys, and you will be redeemed by the power of regeneration. How you come back after those stressful times you face in this relationship, and there is nothing wrong in certain situations. Maybe sometimes we may be wrong or that person may be wrong. There is nothing wrong in that, but the relationship will be marked by endurance and dedication to overall unity. So both sides, they should have that unity, understanding, and both people who are in that relationship must have that dedication and endurance, guys. And that is what this card is about, guys. That is the oracle guidance for your relationship. You have to have that strength and fortitude to see things through, and when you have that strength to proceed in this relationship through all that trials that you're facing, you will experience that joy that comes when you are able to build that true loving relationship with that person, guys. So that is what I see with this card for your relationship, guys, for those who have chosen this first deck. Let us see what is the card with the second deck. I'll be picking one card from the other deck, guys. So this is the card here. Let us see what is the card. Cosmic Heart. With this card, the guidance for your relationship is that, guys, this may be a time where you are meeting a new person in your life, or a new love is unfolding, or you may with your existing person, you may deepen this connection and more love is rushing towards you like a great cosmic tsunami. You will struggle today with this love, how it moves you, and maybe sometimes you may see some trials, but nothing that you cannot handle, guys. And you will feel that you are feeling lost in this person's love. You don't know what you do, and you are simply taken by surprise by how this person is treating you, or how they are showering their love on you. So instead of seeing what you are experiencing, what is going on, you will just be baffled, and you will be wondering in this love, and you will simply surrender yourself to this divine love of that person, of this person who is showering their love on you. And it may be destiny that you are meeting this person, and I also see that it is a destiny that is connecting you with this person. And maybe this person is the person of your dreams, your karmic destiny, or they may be someone with whom you will experience this love, that true love, guys. That is what I see with this card. That is your oracle's guidance with this card, guys. And that is the reading for today, guys, for your love reading. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.